Hey guys, Josiah here from Josiah the Tech, and nagpadala na naman sa atin si Deepcool ng mga bagong products nila, and ang gagawin natin is mag-unbox tayo. Let's go! Alright, first item na pinadala sa atin Deepcool is yung AK500. It's an upgraded version sa AK400 na pinadala sa akin last time. We are going to unbox it right now. Boom! Here, yan. Live nyo akong makikita mag-unboxing yan. Okay, so nakasulat dito ay AK500 High Performance CPU Cooler. There you go. What? That's unusual. That's it? That's it? Oh, akala ko sa una ito yung laman. So, meron pa palang separate box para dun sa mga sockets niya. So, let's open the sockets. So, ito yung different sockets na makikita nyo. Or sa akin, dun sa aking computer, Ryzen 5 3600. So, AM4 socket yung gagamitin ko. Also have a tool here. So, ito ay isang Philip na parang angled siya. Ayan. So, may tool na siyang kasama. Oh! So, this is new. Ito yung mismong 4-pin connection niya. And they've also included this one. So, ito yung ating thermal paste or thermal compound na ilalagay natin sa ating CPU. Tapos, we have more brackets here if you want to add more fans sa ating CPU block. At hindi pa nagtatapos ang unboxing natin dyan, guys, kasi meron pa tayong isang malaking i-unbox. Okay, guys. Are you guys ready? Dadali mo na. Wait lang. Alright, so meron na naman tayong computer case here. Syempre, Deepcool na naman na nag-send sa atin ito. And we are going to unbox it or unpackage it and tignan natin kung ano yung laman or at least yung mismo model na pinadala sa atin. Let's go! Alright, so we have here a new case. It's the CH510 Mid-Tower ATX case. Okay, let me just remove this from the package. Siyempre, hoping na hindi ko magasgasan yung aking brand new case. Ang gagawin natin, tatanggalin natin siya para masilip man lang natin kung ano yung laman niya. How do I flip this over? Okay, so once na in-unbox mo siya, ito yung laman. And di ko alam kung paano ko siya tatanggalin with one hand. So, hintayin nyo lang. Tanggal ko na siya sa package at ang gagawin natin, titignan natin kung ano yung itsura niya. Alright, wow! Very cool, very cool. Minimalistic na, guys. This is a glass. Ito yung, oh, we have some headphone stands over here. Ito yung sabitan ng headphones. Tapos, sa likod, meron siyang isang 120mm fan. Ito yung mga cables and yung manual. And kasama siyang manual and yung ating screws. Oh, yeah, it's magnetic. There you go. So, para pagtatanggalin nyo yung mismong case, kailangan nyo lang siyang ganitohin. So, ipupull mo towards you. Pull it, then remove. There you go. So, ito pa yung isang feature na nakita ko. Ito yung GPU support bracket. So, if you have a heavy GPU, you can support your GPU by this one. Tapos, meron na siyang taga-hide ng cables over here. Ayan. Ang gagawin natin, we are going to pop out the front panel. Ooh, it's very easy, guys. It's very easy to pop out. And as you can see, meron po siyang mesh dito. We have a mesh, so mas madali siyang linisin if madumi na siya. I assume that this is magnetic. Yes, it is magnetic, so madali lang nga siya linisin. Yan, so all you need to do is just pop it back in. So yan, ganun na siya kadali. Diba? Easy peasy. So dito naman sa taas, yes, another mesh panel, and we have here the power button, dalawang USB 3.0, meron tayong mic and audio jack and a reset button. Yun. So, if you want to remove the back panel pala, or the left side panel, just have to unscrew these and just pop it out. Boom. So, this is the cable management, guys. And as you can see, there's a lot of space that you can fit your wires into. Okay siya. Para sa akin, manageable. Since mahilig nga ako mag-cable manage, madali lang siyang i-cable manage, guys. Yon. That's nice. Once again, thank you so much, Deepcool, sa pag-send out nyo ng mga products nyo. And if you guys want to purchase these types of items, links will be posted on my bio. See you guys there!